Namaste, namaste. How are you today? Here's Sunday, 26th July. There's so much thing happened over this last year and a half. Year and a half I had this surgery, and it was like a very an emergency, and I was not ready to die. But all change, and I learned to take care more of myself, and I learned to manifest a better way of dying. Hopefully, it's what I hope, with softness, to go gently the day that I would go. Anyway, now I don't think I'm going because I feel much stronger. I back to yoga since about a month and a half. This was inspired by going to a retreat at Blue Spirit in Costa Rica with Divine Miten and with beautiful Claire Miller, who was giving yoga morning classes. Who end up having my shoulder now stronger, they're not achy anymore, and I could be back playing guitar. And I'm a very beginner, but last year I just played at Goriname, but this time it's flowing, it's beautiful, and I feel more confident and I feel stronger. I also do a bit of weightlifting in the morning. I'm not going to build muscle, but I want to keep my muscle and my bone firm and alive. So this is a beautiful song that a year ago I was dreaming to play, and my left shoulder was not ready. So now it's all beautifully ill, both sides. Yeah, that's what happened apparently in the women in the 50s sometime. Anyway, to do a short story, I wanted to play absolutely this beautiful song from Miten and Deva, Premal and Miten, sing in concerts, and they will have beautiful concerts again in a tour in Europe and in Australia. And yay, I will be in Almere to see the concert in Netherlands in September. And I'm ready to play at Goriname. I'm joking, no, all the birds fly home. I've just played at Goriname for myself to say thank you to all my guru. And I want to play now All the Birds Fly Home. And I offer this song to all mothers or fathers who are at home. And it's not easy. Some of them may have to look after children over the summer holiday. It's a bit more intense. They have less time for themselves. Also to people who lost their job, or people who find new job. It's like all restarting again, and then trusting the flow. And how people who suffer of different disease, who have to slow down, or they learn to slow down. This is something beautiful I learned last year after the surgery, that I had to slow down to make my body ready to heal. Anyway, now I feel strong. So everything, shall it pass. Whatever you're going through, shall it pass. Everything is in change. It never stays. So our life is a flow. It's changing all the time. What was Anitya Bhavna? Is it what was in the morning is not at noon? What was noon? What is in the afternoon is not at noon. What was in the afternoon is not there anymore in the evening. What is at night is not there the next day. So enough talking. I just want to play the song All the Birds Fly Home as the sun goes down. Well, today is a rainy day, but motherhood is beautiful when it's rain. I feel very the feminine, divine. It's beautiful. We all kind of slow down and we enjoy the melody of the rain. And I could feel the green Tara, lots of green outside, and the plants and the flower, the trees are so happy. And I saw some people today during my walk with my dog. My dog was still wagging her tail. I saw this man washing his car, and I thought, oh wow, such a great idea to wash your car when it's raining. And another one was having his roof cleaned. That's another idea. And I had help today. I asked my son, oh, could you do the dishes? There was a big pile from yesterday. I love cooking, so it's accumulated. Anyway, he did, and I left, and I also lent my car to him. So this is all there, and my husband was painting the bathroom downstairs. So we all need water, isn't it? And it's refreshing when we could drink water. And now I'm thinking, oh, I should have drink water before to sing again. Anyway, I will drink after. So I offer you this song, and they are so beautiful lyrics. Thank you, Divine Mitten, for this beautiful song. I love it so much that here I have a tattoo that says Om Shanti. And well, I will show you just 2 birds, but there's 5 birds. All the birds fly on. 5 birds because in my family, I have a brother and sister, or a sister and a brother. And my parents, we were 5 in my family. And now we are, in my family, we are 3 birds. And we all love music. So I want to share you this song. It is very beautiful and soft. So sing along if you know the lyric. contribute in some way for the happiness of all being. And Om Shanti for the peace, the universal peace. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you. And where you are, have a blessed day or a blessed night. Thank you.